Well, this is the Euro Yen analysis for Wednesday, the 15th of November. So let's just have a look what's happened with prices. So we've come to the lower end of the channel, as we've mentioned before. 31.70 is the lower end of the channel, and 134 is the upper end of the channel. I'm just going to go out to the daily time frame before coming back down to the execution time frame, just to show you the channel I've just mentioned. So just going to grab the pen. As we can see here, 134 has acted as resistance in the past, in around 130, has acted as support, and most of the price action most recently has been within this range of 134 to 31.70, 31.70 to 134. Now we're going to go down to the execution time frame. So here we are down at the execution time frame, and I'm just going to grab the pen. And as you can see, we've come down to this 31.70, found support, and again we've put in a higher low, and we've had price come up to this 400 period moving average, somewhat consolidate a bit, and we've had a breakout, very strong breakout to the upside. We've not reacted to this weekly pivot in around, let's just see where these weekly pivots are. Let's just see, we've got a 32.83 and 33.45. We've not seen much reaction in around these levels. Pretty much the breakout, we didn't see a reaction around 32.83. Saw a minor reaction around 33.45. We look poised to head up towards the top of the channel in around that to 134. So in around this 134, we'll be looking to see if we do see sell side momentum, possibly taking us down to 33.45 before we see a move back up to 134. Now we have to look for targets above where we are at present. So I'm just going to remove that and just change the scaling here, and I will zoom out a little bit. So we did see some selling momentum come into the market in around this 34.50, just over here on the left of the chart. So if we can see just there, in around that 34.50, we did see some selling momentum come into the market. So what we'll do is we'll just mark that level on the chart. So just mark it on the chart, as we did see some selling momentum come in just there, in around the ECB press conference and so on. So we're just going to mark it on the chart. We're going to mark it in blue, as it was a previous swing in the market, even though it's not a weekly pivot. We're just going to mark it on there as a reference. So we get the scaling on here correct. So what we are looking at first is just to see how prices react in around this 134. If we do see a bearish reaction, we're looking to target 33.45. If the momentum takes us all the way through there without much reaction, we're looking to target 32.83. Now, if we don't see much of a reaction around 134, if instead what we do see is a break above 134, some consolidation above 134, we would target now 134.50 to the upside for potential selling, as that was the most recent swing. Pretty strong swing in the market in around the ECB press conference and their announcement of the extension of QE to September 2018. Now, if we do break above 134.50, the very next level we'll be looking at is around 135.60. 135.60, that's the next major level we'll be looking at. If we do break above the 134 and 134.50, we will target to 135.60 to the upside. This is a medium to long-term target, 135.60. Now, if we do turn around from where we are at present, we have to look for the potential downside targets, where we might see potential bounces in the market. So at present, we do seem to have turned around a little bit, but we have not got up to this major level. So we're still expecting price to go up to 134. Now we're looking to see how prices react in around 133.45 for potential bounce to the upside, and 132.83 for potential bounce to the upside. We do have the 400 period moving average just below that, and a 200 period moving average before we get all the way down to this 132. If we were to get down to 132, it'd pretty much negate. If we get down to 132, we'd pretty much negate this breakout to the upside, and we'd have negated also this higher lows. So we've got our lows here, higher lows. If we got down to 132, we'd have negated pretty much. We'd have been in this area where we've got the previous low. So we may see a bounce, as this may be a double bottom just down here. We might see buying momentum come back in around at 132, but we would have negated most of the buying breakout momentum that we can see over here. The buying breakout momentum that we have seen over here. If we did break all the way down to 132. So 132.83, 133.45 potential areas. We're looking for bounces to the upside. And below that, we've got the lower end of the channel at 131.70. Where we have seen some bounces before, and below that, breaking out of the channel to the downside, we're looking at 130.60. So that should wrap up the Euro Yen analysis. Overall, we are bullish up to the levels mentioned around 134 and 134.50. So that should wrap up the euro yen analysis. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.